So homework 40 on college algebra is the very last of your pie chart. Starting out with scalar multiplication of a matrix. Matrices are used a lot when you are doing computer programming and those kind of things. It says let E equal, and it has the matrix, -3, 6, -4, 5. Find -4E. Well, just like in algebra, if I have the number right in front of the variable, it means I'm going to multiply. So I'm going to take -4 times my matrix, which means, whoops, I'm just going to multiply that times each value in there. So my answer for my matrix, -4 times -3 would be 12. -4 times 6 would be -24. -4 times -4 is 16. And -4 times 5 is -20. And that will be the matrix that I'm going to put in for my answer. Notice the matrix doesn't change size. It's a 2 by 2 matrix. It's going to still end up being a 2 by 2 matrix. All I'm doing is taking each value times -4 is what it tells me to do. So on the next one, wants me to have C be this matrix given here. I want to find 3C. So I'm just going to have my matrix. It's going to have 3 rows and 2 columns. And so I'm taking each of those times 3. 2 times 3 would be 6. -4 times 3 is -12. 6 times 3 is 18. 1 times 3 is 3. -5 times 3 is -15. And 0 times 3 is 0. And that's going to be my new matrix. Easy as that. We got one more of those to do here, number 3. So number 3, now this one has 2 rows and 3 columns. So it would be a 2 by 3 matrix. And in this one, we're taking each of them times -2. So 7 times -2 is -14. -6 times -2 is 12. 0 times -2 is 0. 5 times -2 is -10. -2 times -2 is 4. And 1 times -2 is -2. And there's going to be my answer.